Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce videos step by step. First, plan your video by defining your audience and outlining your recipe. Gather all ingredients and equipment, like a good camera and lighting. Consider your filming location and ensure it is well lit and clean. A clear plan ensures a smooth and engaging production process for your viewers. When filming, use a tripod for stable shots and vary your camera angles to keep it dynamic. Focus on close-ups of key steps, like simmering the sauce or adding spices. Good lighting is crucial. Natural light works best, or use softbox lights. Record clear audio for your narration, ensuring your voice is easy to understand over any background sounds. After filming, it's time to edit. Start by trimming unnecessary footage to keep your video concise, aiming for a length of 5 to 10 minutes. Add text overlays for ingredients and measurements, like 1/4 cup of vinegar. Use color correction to make your sauce look vibrant and appealing. Incorporate upbeat background music to maintain viewer engagement throughout the video. Finally, publish and promote your barbecue sauce video. Create a catchy title and a detailed description using relevant keywords to improve searchability. Design an appealing thumbnail that makes viewers want to click. Share your video on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, and consider collaborating with other food creators to expand your reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.